children. It's morning time. I want to drink some fruit juice. Do you want to drink some fruit juice, children?
Yes. Yes.
So now let's go to the fruit market and buy some fresh fruits. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go to the market. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go to the market. We are going to buy. We are going to buy. We are going to buy some fruits. I hear the vendors calling. Apple, apple. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Market. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go to the market. We are going to buy. We are going to buy. We are going to buy some fruits. I hear the vendors calling. Mango, mango. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go to the market. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go to the market. We are going to buy. We are going to buy. We are going to buy some fruits. Hear the vendors calling. Strawberries, strawberries. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go to the market. Come on, let's go to the market. We are going to buy. We are going to buy. We are going to buy some grapes. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go to the market. Come on, let's go to the market. Come on, let's go to the market. Now we went to the market. Okay, children. We want to drink some juice, na? Now see, we have reached a fruit market. Now we reach a fruit market. Here some shops is here. Fresh fruit. You see some fresh fruit is here. So now we will buy the fruits. It's our fruit market. Which fruit is this, children?
Apple.
Yes, it is apple. Yes. We all love to eat apple. What is the color of apple?
Red.
Red. Its color is red. Looks very fresh. It looks very fresh. It is very good for our health. It is very good for our health. An apple a day keeps a doctor away. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. So let's buy this apples.
Banana.
Yes.
Banana.
Banana. Yes, right. What is the color of banana?
Yellow.
Yellow. Yes. Banana color is yellow. Banana is very soft, sweet, and delicious. Banana is very soft, sweet, and delicious. We eat banana daily. Let us buy some bananas and make a milkshake. Which fruit is this?
Mango.
Mango. Yes, it is a mango. Yes. You know, children, mango is our national fruit, Indian national fruit. And it is also called the king of the fruits. What is the color of mango?
Yellow.
Yellow. We can make pickles, ice cream, and jellies from mangoes. Now we will buy some mangoes.
Strawberry.
Yes,
Strawberry.
strawberry, right. Do you all eat strawberries? Do you all
Yes.
eat strawberries? Yes, I also eat strawberries. What is the color of strawberry?
Red.
Red. Strawberries are red in color and it is very yummy. This fruit is small in size. See, very small in size. Which is this fruit, children?
Grape. Grape.
Grapes. Yes, it's a grape. We all grapes. It is in purple color, green color, and also in black.
Yellow,
Yellow, yes.
green, brown,
Black.
Black. Okay. Its shape is what? What is the shape of
gold,
grape?
Gold.
circle,
Circle. Yes, very good. And grapes grow in bunches. See, the grapes is always in bunches. We all love eating grapes. We all love eating grapes. So now let's buy some bunches of grapes. This is a
papaya, papaya,
papaya. Its color is
green,
green. Outside its color is green.
green,
Yes. And in inside?
orange,
Orange. And so many seeds inside. You see some black seeds look like in this picture.
black,
Yes.
Black.
Its color is
black,
black. Yes. Very good. Papaya's taste is very sweet. And it is a large fruit. It's a large fruit. We can make jellies, juice, and salad from papaya.
papaya,
Yes.
papaya,
Its juice is very tasty. It is green from outside. Outside its color is green.
Green.
And red from inside. And red from inside. Yes. Watermelon is very juicy fruit. Is big inside. So now we will buy watermelons.
And black bean.
Which fruit is this, children?
Orange.
Orange. Yes, it's a orange. Orange color is orange. What is the shape of orange?
Circle.
Circle, round. Okay, good children. Sweet and sour. Its taste is sweet and sour. Okay. Orange juice makes us fit and healthy. So let's buy some oranges.
Pineapple.
Yes, it's a pineapple. Pineapple is big inside. What is the color of pineapple? What is the color of pineapple?
Green.
Green. And inside its color is?
Yellow.
Pineapple are used in salads. Now we will buy some pineapple.
Guava.
Guava. It is guava. It has a green in color. Huh.
Green.
Guava is a hard fruit tea. Guava is a hard fruit. Taste of guava is sweet. Its taste is sweet. Now we will buy some guavas.
Custard apple.
Yes, correct. It is a custard apple. It is, what is the color of custard apple?
Green.
Green. Outside it color is green and inside it's white.
White.
And so many seeds in this. Okay. It is very soft from inside. It has sweet taste. Now we'll buy custard apples. Which fruit is this, children?
Cherry.
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 Yes, it is a cherry. It is very small, na? It is very small. What is the color of cherry?
Red.
Red. Red. Cherry's color is red. Its taste is slightly sour and it is used in ice cream and cakes. You eat cakes, children?
Yes.
Yes. And ice cream?
Yes.
Yes. I also. Let's buy some cherries. Which fruit is this, children?
Pomegranate.
Pomegranate. Yes, it's a pomegranate. What is the color of pomegranate?
Red.
Red. Yes. It is red in color. It is used in salad and ice cream. So now let us buy pomegranate. Pomegranate, yes. Which fruit is this, children?
Tarbuja.
Yes, in Hindi it's called the tarbuja, but in English, musk melon. It is yellow in color. Its color is yellow. It has many seeds inside. It is very yummy. Now let's buy some musk melons. Yes. Can you tell me which fruit is this?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Okay. This is
Orange.
orange. Yes. Okay. Children's here. We are by so many fruits now. See here, so many fruits. These are some of the fruits which we have buy from the market. Can you name all of them?
Yes.
Yes. First we buy
Apple.
apples. Yes. And what? And apples is very fresh fruit now. Then we buy
Banana.
banana. Yes. Next,
Mango.
mango.
Grape.
Strawberry.
Grape.
Grapes. Very good.
Pineapple.
Pineapple. Yes.
Tarbuja. Mustard apple.
Yes.
Watermelon.
Watermelon.
Custard apple.
Custard apple. Yes.
Kiwi. Kiwi.
Okay.
Cherry. Cherry. Strawberry.
Yes. Strawberries. Now, name the fruits which are in red color.
Apple. Cherry.
Apple, cherries, yes.
Strawberry.
Strawberry, yes.
Pineapple. Watermelon. Musk melon.
No, only red color fruit. I want only red colors.
Apple. Pomegranate. Dragon fruit.
Right. Now name the fruits which are in yellow color.
Banana. Mango. Banana and mango.
Yes. Papaya, mango, banana, pineapple. Now name the fruits which are in green color.
Papaya.
Okay. So now we make some fresh fruit juice. Okay, children. So now take your notebook and pencil and we draw some fruits. Okay. Which fruit is this? This is an apple. Now you also draw the apple. Okay. Which fruit is this, children?
Mango.
Mango. Okay. This is mango. Which fruit? Apple, mango.
Grape. Apple, mango, grape.
So you draw these fruits, okay? In your notebook and color them. We all are to eat fruits daily. I eat fruits. I eat fruits every single day. I eat fruits. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I eat fruits. I eat fruits. Sunday, I eat an apple. Sunday, I eat an apple. Monday, I eat mango. Monday, I eat mango. Tuesday, I eat grapes. Tuesday, I eat grapes. I eat fruits. I eat fruits every single day. Every single day. I eat fruits. I eat fruits. Okay, children. Now you draw the fruits and color them and make a fruit juice and salad. Okay. Now we will end this class.